Should you have the right to know that the state is storing your child's DNA and that they may sell it to researchers or give it to law enforcement without your consent?
The sponsors of a new bill think you should. CBS 13 investigative reporter Julie Watts is digging into the debate behind newborn DNA.
California has been storing DNA from every child since the 80s, but most parents have no idea. This bill would allow parents to give informed consent. Now, similar legislation failed back in 2015, but that was before the Golden State Killer case changed our understanding of DNA.
Sorry, buddy. Nearly every baby born in the U.S. gets a heel prick shortly after birth. Their newborn blood fills 6 spots on a special card used to test the baby for dozens of genetic disorders that, if treated early enough, could prevent severe disabilities, even death. The test itself is crucial and potentially life-saving, but it's what happens after that has some concern. The leftover blood spots become property of the state and may be purchased for approved outside research without your knowledge or consent. The state has long insisted these blood spots are de-identified before they're given to researchers, but records obtained by CBS 13 reveal identified blood spots are used by law enforcement in California. We found at least 5 search warrants and 4 court orders for identified blood spots, and that was before the Golden State Killer case made genetic genealogy a common law enforcement tool. At least one cold case was more recently solved with the help of newborn blood spots, but the California Department of Public Health denied our request for an updated list of research and law enforcement requests for these blood spots, telling us the agency is no longer tracking that information like it used to.
Were you aware that the state was storing your child's DNA?
No.
Do you think you should have been aware?
Absolutely.
A 2018 statewide CBS News poll found the majority of new parents did know about the required genetic test, but 3/4 had no idea the state would store the leftover blood spots indefinitely after their child's test was complete. New legislation would require the agency get written consent before storing a newborn DNA sample after their required genetic test. Now, the Department of Public Health insists it's not hiding anything, pointing to information on page 13 of the newborn screening brochure. But of the 6 new moms we interviewed, only one had that newborn screening pamphlet and admitted in the midst of learning to feed and change and keep a tiny human alive, it hadn't found time to flip to page 13.
Did it actually say outside research?
But these moms said even if they had read the pamphlet, it's not clear that blood spots are stored indefinitely and are available to outside researchers and law enforcement. The proposed new legislation would also prohibit law enforcement access to that stored DNA.
Now, many in the medical research community oppose informed consent because they think most parents would opt out and they rely on this DNA stockpile. Meanwhile, law enforcement sources say access to this DNA could solve countless crimes, but many of them support a parent's right to opt in for law enforcement use.